Apollo.io is a powerful lead generation and sales engagement platform designed to help businesses find and connect with potential customers. Here's how to use Apollo.io for lead generation. Sign up and set up your account. First, sign up for an Apollo.io account. After logging in, you can set up your profile and integrate Apollo.io with your email, CRM, and other tools. Use Apollo's search and filtering features. Apollo.io provides a database of over 200 million contacts. Use the platform's advanced filters to search for leads based on industry, job title, company size, location, and more. You can create highly targeted lists to match your ideal customer profile. Enrich and verify leads. Once you have a list of leads, Apollo.io allows you to enrich those contacts with additional information, such as direct emails and phone numbers. Use Apollo's email verification feature to ensure that the leads you're targeting have valid contact details. Reach out with automated campaigns. Apollo.io offers email sequencing and outreach automation. Create personalized email templates and set up automated campaigns to nurture leads and drive engagement. Track results and optimize campaigns. Monitor open rates, replies, and other key metrics in real time. Use the insights to refine your outreach strategy and improve your conversion rates.